Exercise 3.2, question number 3. On comparing the ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. First, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, or we can write 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 7, or 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now, comparing this equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We will get a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to minus 5, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 3 and c2 is equal to minus 7. Now we will find out a1 by a2, which is equal to 3 by 2, b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by minus 3, or we can write minus 2 by 3. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 7, which is equal to 5 by 7. Now here, since a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, therefore these linear equations are intersecting each other at one point. And hence have one possible solution. So the pair of linear equation is consistent. Now second problem. Second is 2x minus 3y is equal to 8, or we can say 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Let's say this is our equation 1. 4x minus 6y is equal to 9, or 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Let's say this is our equation 2. Again, comparing these equations, 1 and 2 with a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We will get a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to minus 8, a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 6, and c2 is equal to minus 9. Now we will find out a1 by a2, which is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6, which is equal to 1 by 2, and c1 by c2, which is equal to minus 8 by minus 9, which is equal to 8 by 9. Now here, since a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2, therefore this linear equation are parallel to each other. And hence have no possible solution. So the pair of linear equations is inconsistent. Now third problem. Third is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7, or 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Second equation is 9x minus 10y is equal to 14, or 9x minus 10y minus 14 is equal to 0. Let's say this is our equation 2. Again, comparing these equations, with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We will get a1 is equal to 3 by 2, b1 is equal to 5 by 3, c1 is equal to minus 7, a2 is equal to 9, b2 is equal to minus 10, c2 is equal to minus 14. So a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2 divided by 9, which is equal to 1 by 6. b1 by b2 is equal to 5 by 3 divided by minus 10, which is equal to minus 1 by 6. And c1 by c2 is equal to minus 7 by minus 14, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now here we can see a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore this linear equation intersect at one point. These linear equations intersects each other at one point, and hence they have only one possible solution. So we can say the pair of linear equation is consistent. Now fourth problem. Fourth is 5x minus 3y is equal to 11, or 5x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation 1. Second equation is minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22, or minus 10x plus 6y plus 22 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation 2. Now again comparing this equation 1 and 2, with a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, we will get a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to minus 11, A2 is equal to minus 10, B2 is equal to 6, C2 is equal to 22. Now A1 by A2 is equal to 5 by minus 10, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is equal to minus 11 by 22, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here we can observe that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So since A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, therefore these linear equations are coincident pair of lines. And hence they have infinite number of possible solution. So the pair of linear equation is consistent. Now fifth problem. Fifth is 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8, or 4 by 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation 1. Next is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, or 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Let's say this is equation 2. Now comparing these equations, 1 and 2 with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We will get a1 is equal to 4 by 3, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to minus 8, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to minus 12. So a1 by a2 is equal to 4 by 3 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 3. b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by 3, and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 8 by minus 12, which is equal to 2 by 3. Now here we can observe that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So since a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, therefore this linear equation are coincident pair of lines, and hence they have infinite number of possible solutions. So the pair of linear equations is consistent.